Hello friends, today's topic, if you don't invest now, you will regret later. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Indian markets have over the years mainly relied on FII investment to push it higher. However, this situation is slowly changing. Due to the increasing interest of retail investors in stock markets, DIIs such as mutual funds and insurance companies are receiving huge amounts of money. Apart from some investments in bonds, DIIs invest large amounts of their money in Indian stock markets since it is the most lucrative option for them. The following statistics will give you an idea. Increasing participation in stock market is beneficial for everybody. How FIIs and DIIs inflows has impacted Sensex. 100 to 10,000, February 2006 was the reaching of the milestone. Number of days 5,793. FIIs inflow, data not available. DIIs inflow, data not available. 10,000 to 20,000, it reached on December 2007, number of days 462, FIIs inflows 1,555 crores, DIIs inflows 22,581 crores. 20,000 to 30,000, milestone reached April 2017, number of days 2,318, FII inflow 585,862 crores, DIIs inflow 66,335 crores. 30,000 to 40,000 Sensex reached June 2019, number of days 520, FIIs inflow 52,792 crores and DIIs inflow 1,79,954 crores. 40,000 to 50,000 Sensex reached in February 2021, number of days 416, FIIs inflow 2,18,552, DIIs inflow 3,297 crores. 50,000 to 60,000 Sensex reached September 2021, number of days 158, FIIs inflow 42,787 crores, DIIs inflow 37,890 crores. 60,000 to 70,000 and reached December 2023, number of days 551, FIIs inflow minus 70,008 crores, DIIs inflow 5,23,505 crores. 70,000 to 80,000 recently, July 2024, number of days 204, FIIs inflow 63,174 crores, DIIs inflow 2,49,929 crores. From 60,000 to 70,000 level of Sensex, for the first time in Sensex history, a 10,000 point milestone had been achieved completely by DII investment. For the Sensex rally from 60,000 to 70,000 points, FIIs have net sold shares worth 70,000 crores, while DII have done net investment of 5.23 lakh crores. However, for the journey of 70,000 to 80,000 for Sensex, both FIIs and DIIs had contributed. So, for the most of the milestones, major contribution was done by FIIs only or equal contribution by FIIs and DIIs. The last 6 months, FII have done net sales of more than rupees 25,000 crores, whereas DIIs have invested more than 50,000 crores. The last 6 months, in spite of DIIs investing well, since FIIs have been net sellers, markets have been quite flat since July 2024 and has been struggling to touch new highs since September 2024. FIIs may become net sellers in Indian markets after some months. Our markets could be quite dull on an overall basis until FIIs re-enter in a big way. FIIs are likely to infuse more money in the next 1 year. This dull period could continue for some more months. Such a period is extremely beneficial when markets stay in a range, since we can invest a lump sum amount and also many SIPs in that period. Hence, it won't be a surprise if markets touch new highs of 27,000, 28,000 Nifty or more when FIIs do sustained buying for some months along with DIIs continue buying like the present situation. So don't get demotivated in the current stage of flat range bound markets, since you are likely to regret if you don't invest at such a time, since whenever the next rally starts, it may be quick and we may feel like investing a lump sum amount when there is a strong rally. We may permanently miss out on an investment opportunity for lump sum. Actually, as long-term investors, we must keep hoping for flat markets now so that when we can invest at a similar prices for some months. People who don't invest meaningful amounts of money for long term will always regret it later. End of the video, here is a question for getting your opinion. By which year do you feel Nifty will reach 50,000 mark? A. 2029, B. 2030, C. 2031, D. 2032. In case you are not the member of this particular channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.